Hello my friend and welcome to MaxDMCrafting. This is a great crafting channel, guys. Push your imagination to the limit with my tutorials, my video and my crafting journeys. The best way to navigate on this channel is just to check out all my playlists, guys. You're gonna find for sure something that is perfect for you. I'm working on 3 main chapters in this moment. I'm diving on my special hero quest, guys. I'm creating my dungeon overkill set, and also I'm creating the keep. These are the 3 main themes that I will bring to you this fall, okay? So check those playlists out. Check MaxDMCrafting Facebook page, guys, for all the news and also the fancy photos, everything that is actually catching and very interesting and fancy is on Instagram. So check my Instagram profile, okay? If you want to sustain me, please check on Patreon. If you subscribe on Patreon, you will have instant access to tons of extra content, and also you can download my sketchbook. Be sure to subscribe the channel and to hit the notification bell for never miss any of my new content. Basically every week 1-2 videos coming out, okay guys? So stay tuned. Hope to have you all here on the channel. Until next time, happy crafting!